Hey y'all, welcome to Freedom Makers. I'm Amanda, and today I just wanted to do a quick video about food storage. So I'm in my pantry right now. I really love to record in here because it's just a really quiet and easy place for me just to share my thoughts with you guys. I did a live stream a few days ago, and several people have reached out to me about a few comments that I had made in that video. I talked briefly about how I had lost my job and then lost my home when my daughter was very small. We moved in with my parents when she was about 3 months old. And it was just a really rocky time. And so in retrospect, I see that I should have had a better savings plan, better food storage plan, and should have been more prepared, especially having such a small child. That is something that I never really had thought about prior to that. But having had that experience, now I realize that the smartest insurance plan is self-sufficiency. So you can have insurance. You should have homeowners insurance if you own a home. There are ways to safeguard yourself. A savings account definitely is an asset, but there are other ways to safeguard yourself as well. And food storage for me is paramount. If you have food storage, there are so many different things you can do. You can not only provide for yourself and your family, you won't starve as long as you have this, but you can also barter for things. So in the past, I have baked cookies for other people when I was low on cash from my food storage. I have made brownies and sold. I mean, there are different things that I've done around the holidays. Once I sold pies from my food storage. So having a food storage can be an asset in that way too. You won't starve, your kids won't starve, and you can also make a little extra cash if you have things on hand to bake with. You can make specialty breads. You can do all kinds of stuff. Take it to a farmer's market. You can put an ad out on Facebook or share with family and friends. Let people in your neighborhood know that this is something that you're doing just for a short time. A lot of people do special things around the holidays. So if you've got something coming up and you know you're going to need a little extra cash, say for Christmas, and at Thanksgiving, you know you can sell 16 pumpkin pies from your food storage and you have tons of pumpkin or whatever, then that's something that you can do. So food storage to me is just very, very important. It can get you out of a lot of pickles, and you can have it as versatile as you need it to be. By cooking everything from scratch, I tend to be able to stretch my budget much farther than if we were to buy a lot of prepackaged stuff. So in my food storage, we have a lot of things like different baking flours. We are gluten-free, so I have a lot of those in a freezer. We have butter stored up. We have like all the things that we would need to make stuff like baked goods is in our pantry. And so like you see like brown rice, and there's different pastas and things here. I have canned meats. I have canned vegetables that I've home canned. Things that I've bought on sale. I can can my own chicken and get that while it's on sale when it's really, really super cheap, and I can have that in my pantry instead of the freezer, so I don't have to worry about anything bad happening to it if there's a power outage or whatnot. A long time ago, a friend had told me that the best thing you can do for yourself is to create food storage. And I really took that to heart, and I've seen in my life that it's gotten me out of a lot of weird or hard situations. And so I want to encourage you guys to think about food storage. Safeguard yourself and your family, especially as we see weather patterns changing. There have been just a lot of catastrophes happen lately. There's a lot of flooding in our country right now, a lot of wet ground, and so we're seeing that there are going to be some shortages on things that people are used to having. And so when that happens, food prices always go up. If you are safeguarding yourself with a food storage pantry, if you are stocking up on the things that your family loves now while things are on sale and things like that, then you're not going to feel a hardship when things happen, food prices rise, that sort of thing. So it's just a good idea to make sure that you are stocked up. I want to encourage you guys to do that today. There are so many different things that you can make from your food storage. And so in the next few weeks, I'm going to off and on be sharing some things that we make from food storage that our family loves, so that you don't feel like you're just eating like bland canned vegetables. I hear a lot of people say, well, I don't like canned, I like frozen or I like fresh. Well, if you are in hard times, you don't always have that luxury to choose what way your food comes. So we'll be cranking out a couple videos that hopefully will help you guys and inspire you guys to maybe start doing some home canning. Maybe start stocking up on some canned goods. You can do dehydrated goods. You can dehydrate stuff from the store. There are so many different options to bulk up your food storage without spending a whole lot of money. You also don't have to go out and buy a ton of freeze-dried food or prepackaged stuff. Like I said, you can do a lot of this at home. I've gotten a lot of these vegetables either from my own garden or on sale and packaged them myself, and so that saves a ton of money. I hope some of these ideas have helped you guys out today. Like I said, I just kind of wanted to do a really quick video after I'd gotten some comments and questions and emails and things like that from my live stream. And so I'm not even going to edit this, guys. I'm just going to, like, it is Friday afternoon. I am just cranking this out and I'm going to post it right now so that you guys can see. And if you have any ideas about food storage, maybe you've done something unusual in your food storage, you can share that in the comments section. This channel exists to help you guys kind of create ideas. And I love it when I see you guys in the comment section sharing your ideas with everyone else so that others can benefit from your knowledge and your experience and the things that you've done as well. So thank you guys so much for stopping by. I appreciate each of you, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.